Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's start with some of the global market cues. The market is expected to open positively due to a rally in the global markets as traders shrugged off a rebound on Wall Street ahead of the US inflation data due tomorrow. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 10th of September 2024, Nifty index opened flattish, and even though it broke its previous day's low, it took support at 24,750 levels. It recovered right from the start of the day and formed a bullish candle on the daily frame with short covering and support-based buying. India VIX was down by 6.5% to 14.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio improved to 0.96. Volatility cooled off and paved way for buying at the lower levels. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,400. while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were buyers worth 1,177 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,757 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio remains stable at 64%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,000 for a bounce towards 25,150, then 25,250, while supports can be seen at 24,750 levels. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 50,850 for a bounce towards 51,500 and 51,750, while downside support can be seen at 50,850, then 50,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in stocks like FMCG, which includes Dabur, Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, and Marico. From the pharma space, we have Laurus Lab, Davies Lab, and Glenmark still holding on to the higher zones. JK Cement from the cement pack is also looking quite lucrative. From the consumption space, adding to this is Indian Hotel, Voltas, and Berger Paint. While some weakness could be seen in Bsoft, Petronet, ONGC, Aarti Industries, Exide, and Tata Steel. Wish you a super trading day ahead with some volatile cues. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.